What's going on, everybody? This is Denard Wright with Wright Waterworks Pressure Washing and Window Cleaning. It's Grimy house right here. You see the mold, the mildew, and the algae. That's about to come off. Stay tuned. See that? It's time to clean the house, ladies and gentlemen. It's sodium hypochlorite, which is also known as bleach. That's gonna kill the organics, your mold, your mildew, and your algae. Melting off like butter. And now it's time for the rinse down. Let's go. Beautiful, just beautiful. Take a look.